my partner, Debbie, is the most amazing people pleaser. Everybody loves her. She's a self-professed people pleaser. And it was really tough for me in our relationship because I'd ask something wanting an honest answer. I wanted to understand where she was at. And I could feel in my body that she was trying to give me the answer that she thought I wanted to hear. And I used to get frustrated because I couldn't feel where the edge of her was in a way. And one day I said to her, you know what, Debs, I would rather be pissed off with you for who you are than being pissed off with you for who you're pretending to be. If I'm going to be angry with you, I'm going to be angry with you, but I'd rather be angry with the real person than the person that you're pretending to be in order to please me. Now, my question is, let's flip that round. Can they imagine what it's like for their woman to come to them for a really clear answer and they get an answer which is actually a dodge? So when they go into dear mode, the question comes in, there's something inside that goes, I'm not sure I want to answer that because there's a risk, but how can we help them to avoid dodging and just be really honest?